Yeah. New Link Production is here, my people. Blessed day, blessed day. Give thanks again. You know the thing. Go big up on yourself, all of the subscribers, them from all over the world. Shout out, attack. You don't know the thing going on. We say England in the house. You don't know the thing. Canada in the house. You don't know the thing. You don't know USA in the house, all the states. Big up on yourself, Australia, the whole Caribbean, Africa, everywhere. You don't know New Link Production is here, and your boy New Link is here. Yeah, people, as I can see, New Link is here live and living. You don't know the thing of blessed love. See it? It's a rainy day today. See it there? A beer rain, my people. Beer rain today. Right now. But New Link AC cool, so New Link does a cool under AC, you know, people. See there? A beer rain. Right now, I have to have the phone man charge, you know, people. So I'm not going to see choke. So good, because I can't hold it too high. You see me? But we have to give God thanks to life still, you know, people. Oh, me nearly run off on the road, people. John, no, me nearly run off on the road this now because of the phone thing, you see it? But we have to give thanks here, you New Link now, crash, man. God bless you with this, sir. So big up on yourself, people. People, right now I have a thing for talk about right again. I'm not attack, I just start me attack. And I can't attack him, you know, because if I attack him, God will send me. I can't attack him. I'm wrong. And I know say I'm wrong, people. Definitely, see that, let me show you something. Over there, so thief in car people, when I go over there, so them there, over there, so they ratted the people. I tell you, limousine where boy have over there park up. So the limousine, they sit there. And so they move, a thief them, you know, people. Cook them. Yes, the people see a lady all sell something over here, so some fruit, mango and then thing. You see it? That's how they work. So my people, hear me I say. Remember what day all who watch the clip and go through me clip them. If you don't watch it to the fullest, because you saw me post a video. When you watch them till the end, please. If you don't understand when New Link come off, so you know say when New Link come put up that one and say I fuck New Link attack. Because I want to understand when New Link come off. You understand me? I say my subscribers and my people and big up on yourself. Yeah, alright. Remember when you say me have this brother for interview named Fargo? Yeah, me have him for interview. Thursday, me have this man for interview, you know. People, me see the man Thursday evening. Yeah, Thursday evening, me see him. Me know he's a cracky still, you know. Me know he's a cracky, but he's a sensible fucking cracky. You know, say some cracky who used to be lawyer, doctor, all type of people who turn crackhead. Me know why, if people them so are stress or something. Me know why I make the really crack sometimes. Me know, I don't need that. But me not this him still. But me going to show you something. And I tell the people, Thursday I see this man, you know. We had the interview for the Thursday. He said in the evening, the man said, give him a down payment. Because I pay him, you know, people. I not tell you how much I pay. I give him a down payment. For interview, I pay him. Because I enhance my thing for my people. So I spend money on that. So New Link said, that's why I tell some people, so when I report man thing, you don't know how much hard work and when man do for putting on them thing. So you don't do them thing there. It ain't nice. You see my people? Big up on yourself. When you see I would have on my shot. Alright, I remember that. Big up on yourself. If I wasn't for she, I would be here today. So big up on yourself when you know where the thing go. I would be here, but me I would be in the place here. I would be in land because she am my originally birth mother. You get what me I say? But I see, yeah, you don't know put in the works, man, push out of the country, you know. So big up yourself, mama, all the way. Yeah, people. As me I tell you now. Yeah, so the man now, you see me? I give him the down payment. Him tell me, say, yo, alright, boom. About hour time I call link him. That was about say 4 o'clock. You see me? You see 5 o'clock, the place is have a meeting. I look for that man Thursday. I circle till about 6 o'clock. I circle the car, you know. Because I say most there's somewhere after this. So. You understand people? You see a beer water on the road. See there? Beer water people. When they play rainfall, I saw beer flood and then they go and see there. Beer water. Right now, my car dirty people. Dirty. Put on all it's in there, so see there. You're gonna see what I want. Beer water people. See there beer water on the road. Beer water, rainy day today in Pravon people. Rainy day. See all them boy come with them boat people. Watch him. So then do it up there, you know. See them there. So then do it my people. Yeah. So me I tell you now people, I circle and I still can't find the brother. You see me? The next day, you know. See alright then. Cause you're cocky now on the phone. The next day, I buck him up back. About that yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. I buck up him back. About say 2:30. Not any time then. And I said to him, say, boss, say make me a look yesterday. He tell me, I told you to meet me at another block up there, another block up there. People. The man lie fuck, you know. Because when he tell me to meet him, I meet him, they have me directly. If he had a black way, I talk, I say, but I'm not saying to him. I say, alright boss, no problem. I say, if you give him a next local thing. Surely this evening, you know, so New Link fool, I give him the money again, the next local thing. So I give him, I say, about 75% I pay away if you get. Right now, you have to work. You see me? When I got the time where you say, I still can't find the man. I still can't find the man. I can't find that man. I can't find him. Just now I pass. I see that man to ass. Knock out. Now shit and piss up himself to ass. Eh? Be a crack, the boy take my money and go buy people. Eh? And like you overdo see himself. Be a crack. You understand? Be a crack. Me I tell us to the man like he take my money and go buy after me pay this man some money if he say he might do some vlog. Me I go put him in a song. Cause me tell a people who enjoy the vlog with him in, but me not say me not go deep with him in, because me still I do it when he get back on his foot. Because me I tell us say in one condition right now, boy people me not like no look good at all. You understand? But you know when I try to help a man, I say he might help me, I help at this because I pay me no people, because I don't think I discriminate against people, you know, no matter the state today, you know, because you don't know some man did go through in a life and who caused them for reason, and you have some dirty mind people who fuck them up, you understand? That's why New Link a boy have to believe in God and make faith strong in the Almighty, because you don't know you evil out there. You see me? Yeah, people, so New Link fuck man. So right now New Link I say, yo, I'm telling this, uno no trust no crackhead, me subscribers. Don't trust no crackhead. The New Link I tell you no, uno no trust none. None. Because that one they fuck up New Link, you know. So uno no trust no crackhead. They say sometimes crackhead come out the yard and so they will clean up this phone and clean that. Not trust them. Don't trust them. I tell you, not trust them. But clean up nothing. Sometimes I thief them, I tell them that. I thief them. They just all spot some clothes. Maybe they know so like in the evening you pin out the clothes in the evening. Maybe as night come down there, they know you gone like then take off the clothes off a line. I saw them turning up people. You understand? They we all thief. Yo, I show you Mr. Crackhead thief sometime I'm gonna sell them back, man. When me they used to do a yard. You understand? Thieves and something. Some valuable sitting in and sell it back cheap. You know, when you looking at it, and man come back with when thieves sitting around with big old sticker look for him and come to you say, yo, this man say you sell something. So I tell you, not just no crackhead, be careful of them. You hear my subscribers and viewers? Be careful of them. I don't know the thing. Me I say blessed love. You understand? Me just happy to see how the subscribers thing them a grow. You understand? Me love my subscribers and viewers. You understand? Me love you. You understand? New Link is all about entertainment and fun, everything in one. The truth with entertainment, with fun, with drama, everything. That's New Link production. You understand? When you see the fullest of New Link, some people are saying they want to see New Link show up and show. I mean, people are calling me can't come and show up for them. But as I tell you, New Link, they're not that right now. So not that right now. I would work for focus on that right now. As I say, September now, it's going on a slow period. So after that, we link up on their level. But love when you subscribe and big up on yourself and New Link production, man, for life. You don't know the thing. Big up everybody. All of my subscribers, them, you see it. Too much I want right now, like too much fans and something. So I can't call everybody, but when I say big up everybody, all of my subscribers, them, all of my viewers, just big up on yourself and New Link love you all. Yeah, man, blessed love, man. See it, New Link production. One up, boom, up.